Tell me, where did the universe come from?
The universe?
Yes.
The Big Bang.
The Big Bang. Do you know what the Big Bang is?
Yeah, like an implosion.
No. Big Bang is a energy and matter compressed into a singularity that expanded very quickly. Okay? Now where did the energy and matter come from?
It was already existed in the universe.
No, there was no universe at that time.
Well, it was already existing.
From where? How? Where did it come from?
If you could
What
go
caused?
back, I could ask you the same question when it all come from. There wasn't
Excellent question. I would answer it by saying you cannot have an infinite chain of dependent things. Meaning, you cannot have someone that created Allah, because you will ask the same question: who created Allah? And then you will ask who created Allah? And if we have an infinite chain of dependent things, we wouldn't exist today. But the fact that we exist, it means that there's something eternal always existing that is there. And we say that's what we refer to as Allah. So it's very easy to answer your question. But now, can you answer my question about the energy and matter and how did they expand by themselves and where did they come from?
No, because I'm not a scientist.
Okay, so I want you to think, even scientists don't have an answer to that question. They're not going to help you there, right? Because whatever was before the Big Bang is outside the realm of science. Because science is based on materialism, and it's based on what we can observe. Exactly. And they say, at the time of the Big Bang, there was infinite equations. Means all laws that we use today are not applicable at that time. Therefore, we cannot understand what was going on. So they admit that they do not know what was happening at the time of the Big Bang or before it. Now, but we know that energy and matter is not a conscious entity that moves by itself, right or wrong? Atoms do not move by themselves. Therefore, they would require a cause. First, for them to exist, number one. Number two, for them to expand, for us to have the universe that we have. And imagine this, it just happened and we have this magnificent universe of galaxies of stars and orbits for each planet, electromagnetic waves, gravity that works precisely, allowing Earth to exist. Oh, it just happened, right?
It just happened to be spot on. That's crazy.
Okay, so we're saying which one is a rational conclusion? To claim that, I don't know, it just happened, or to,
No, I'm not
to claim...
saying I don't know, it just happened. I'm saying
Why are you saying that?
science happened. To me, it's not rational to say
Science is not-
there's a guy inside this guy and he's going.
We don't say there's a guy.
That there.
We don't say there's a guy though.
Whatever, like, you know what I mean.
That's Christianity. We say there is a higher entity, a higher power,
But to me,
Allah.
that's not rational.
Why?
Why would I believe in something I've never seen or heard or felt?
Do you have a brain? Do you have a brain? No, wait. I want the more important question. Do you have a brain? Do you have a brain? Have you seen your brain?
I can see it on a brain
No.
scan,
Have you seen your
but
brain?
I can't see my brain.
No. You're not
I
answering.
haven't,
No.
but I
Okay.
can.
Okay.
I
Thank
can see
you.
it tomorrow.
No, step by step. You said you haven't seen your brain, and you said you cannot believe in that which you haven't seen. Therefore, why do you believe in your brain when you haven't seen your brain?